Hi friends, this is Arvind. I am going to explain in this video about economic development. Economic development is a wider concept than economic growth, and economic development it is a increment in the real national income and the progressive changes in socio-economic structure of the country. And economic development is a multi-dimensional phenomena which also study the long-term process, social and economic structure of the country. And economic development it is a positive changes in all the socio-economic infrastructure. And economic development it is all includes all the spheres of economy, which includes all the spheres of economy in terms of social indicators, health and education and manufacturing. All those things will be included particular in terms of social indicators, health and education and the sanitation and all those things, and economic infrastructures. Each and everything will be enhanced in the context of economic development. And economic development is also study about the real per capita income as well as all the social indicators and economic development. And economic development along with the real GDP increases, but there will be no equality, so there will be increment in the inequality. So if increasing real GDP, so there will be not increment in the equality, so inequality is rising. There was an increment in the GDP, but there is no increment of the equality, so it is not at all called as a economic development. When the economic growth is increases, the richer become a richer and poorer become a poorer. So in this context, the economy will be equally distributed, the income should be equally distributed in this context. So then will be possibility to become a economic development, it will be possible. So that is what economic development. And coming to the economic structure, so what are the major economic structure should be changed in the context of economic development? So economic development, the major economics structural changes are, first one is occupational structure has to be changed. Occupational structure means there has a agriculture sector in the developing countries like India and Pakistan and China, and these are the major economic changes should be in the countries like developing economies. The primary objectives are what are they? Dependent on the agriculture sector. So the primary sector should be transformed into the industrial sector and tertiary sector. So that is what occupational changes should be done in the context of economic development. That is one of the major structural change in economic development. And next one is national income. There is a change in the national income. So the most of developing economy, agriculture production is high. We compare with the industrial and manufacturing, industrial or manufacturing or service sector. There is a major portion in the agriculture sector. So the GDP ratio compare with agriculture, industry and service sector has to be increased. So that is the one of the major structural change in economic development. And coming to the industrial production, so industrial production has to be increased. So not only primary goods or not only consumer goods, the increment in the capital goods also has to be increased. So capital goods, vice versa, consumer goods also produced in the countries like developing economy. So that is the major structure of the economic development. And next one is foreign trade. So most of the developing countries which are maximum exports only agriculture sector. So coming to the agriculture sector, there was only primary goods, okay, that's what only food grains, these are all things maximum there will be export. So the machinery goods, the industrial goods, the service goods which are also increased. So that is what foreign trade, okay, the structural change in the foreign trade also has to be increased. And coming to the technology, so technology also has to be increased. So in the country like developing economy, so there was a no technology as compared with developed countries. America, UK, Japan, South Korea, these are all countries, whatever the developed countries, they are maximum using all the sectors technology. So the technology is a major development. Okay, so the coming to the economic development, the countries like developing economies, India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, African countries, these are all developing countries. There has to be increase in the techniques, there has to be uses of the whatever the machineries in the agriculture sector, whatever the machineries in the industrial sector, whatever the computers in the service sector, all those things has to be increased. The advanced technology should be increased in the developing economies. That is the one of the major economic structural change in the economic development perspective. And coming to the last major economic structural change is social and institutional changes. So there is a changes in the social and institutional changes. What are the social and institutional changes? Social means health and education, sanitation, these all those things. Institutional means, for example, health sector, there was a maternal mortality rate, infant mortality rate, neonatal rate. So the institutional changes has to be increased. Okay, there has to be change in the social and institutional changes, particular countries like developing economies. So that is what major changes in the economic development. So let's sum up the economic development. It is the couple of change. So the change refers to the quality of life, it is increasing, improvement in the health sector, and improvement in the standard of living, and improvement in the all the GDP, and improvement in the all the service sector, industrial sector, agriculture sector, and technology, improvement in the technology. So to coming to the all the spheres, it links with the all the spheres of economy has to be increased. So that is what economic development. I hope you might understand what is economic development. So thank you.